Hello and welcome everybody. Today I am going to show you how to create a Brawl Stars account using Supercell ID. So first of all, in order to do this, you need to have an email account that is not connected to any Supercell ID already. This method is the same if you just started the game and you just completed the tutorial and you want to create the Supercell ID already, or if you already have your account and you now want to create the Supercell ID. Click on these three lines that you have on your right top corner. And you are going to click in Supercell ID. Then you're going to click again where is the Supercell ID and you are going to skip all these screens pressing in next or directly in skip. And then you find this. In order to create the Supercell ID, you need to click on register now, then on continue, and now you're going to have to type your address 2 times. Remember that the email that you are writing here has to be an email that doesn't have any Supercell ID already connected to it. So when you type it 2 times, you press on register and you will receive an email with a verification code. If you don't receive this code or you are experimenting problems with receiving this code, we already have another tutorial video in our channel where we explain how to fix this problem. And there you got it. You already have your Supercell ID. Thank you very much for watching.